Pongal. Morning, everyone. I am in sweet laddu. I am saying thank you, Dad. Hi, friends. Good morning. My name is Papa. Like marriages, we make our family and friends. We pray to God and say thank you for giving us happiness. If we festival, new songs, new realize, new memory. Sesame is love, sesame is sharing, sesame is happy time, sesame is fun time. Thank you. Diwali festival of lights. Jingle bells, Christmas brings joy. Good morning, everyone. I am Richard. Today, I talk about festivals. Festivals are fun. We wear new dress. We eat sweets. We dance and play. Festivals make me happy. Thank you. My name is Vinumitra. I'm going to talk about festivals bring happiness and Pongal, Diwali and Santa Claus. I'm Surakyan and Formal. I'm everyone. Festival star, happy time. Festival star, happy time. We enjoy with the family and friends. We have new dresses, eat yummy food. Festivals make everyone happy. Thank you. I am Ryan. I am going to speak about the festival of light. Diwali is also known as Diwali is also known as festival of light. Festivals Diwali. I am Jessica. I went festivals Diwali Snake. And the festivals Diwali cake. Festivals Happy Diwali. Listen Kuske. Morning. Diwali is the festival of the lights. It is celebrated in India. People decorate their houses, their lights, diyas and candles. Children blow crackers. People wear new clothes. The family exchanges sweets. Everyone, I am Adira. Today, go to the talk about Diwali. Diwali is a festival of lights by people all over India. We wear them and colorful rangolis. We all clean cloth and sharing a sweet and gift and friends and family. Diwali bell full of it. We are that look at that Happy Diwali. My name is Krishna. My Diwali in the family decoration, full decoration light and hopeful Swiss beat, Yelkel, Spree, Gold, Decoration fee, D for is sing, baby does it is, they the equal treat. Thank you. Hi everyone. Happy Deepavali. My name is Nilamika. Festival of Lights. This is new dress. And the good winds are bad. Gisnakils Asuran. Thank you everyone. I love you. Diwali is festival of lights. We buy new clothes, sweets, crackers and decorate the home. Thank you. Light. Good morning all. I am A.M. Pragati from Senior KG. I am going to talk about Diwali festival. Diwali is so fun. We put lights. Do you know why we all celebrate Diwali? Because Lord Krishna killed the demon Narahasura. That's why we celebrate Diwali. Thank you. India is known as land of festival. People comes together and sharing express and joy. And Diwali celebration and very much. I learn on street and dress. Good morning all. My name is Haslin. I talk about Christmas festival. It's celebrated on December 25, birthday of Jesus Christ. Happy Christmas. Thank you.